Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Das. Today I will show you the process of creating single stair based on the point cloud. I have prepared a Revit file with the point cloud, some specific levels, in this case level 1 and level 2, and view range on it. I also have placed the walls and the floor to get the exact outline of the stairs. You can check the floor and walls here. So to start the model, we will go to specific floor plan. Right now I am in level 1. We have to match the point cloud precisely with the stair. So to create the stair, I will place the section. I have placed a section line like this, and the far clip offset is in between the stair width. It will help me to get the perfect sectional view of the stair. Now let's go to the section. Yes, in section view I will draw some reference plane on the riser position of the stair. I will place them perfectly on the riser. Sometimes we can't get the exact position of the stair edge on the floor plan. This reference line help me to get the perfect position of the edge. I need some more lines. Copy this and paste. Yes, it's done. Now I will check it in plan again. Yes, it's okay. Next I will go to architecture, stair, then create sketch in component area. Create sketch. Now to place the boundary line, I will click pick lines and place the boundary lines inside inner side of the walls. Next, to place the riser, I will do the same. Click on riser, then click pick lines and click on the reference lines. And one edge is here. Now I will draw the stair path and from the starting point to end. Now I will trim all the lines. Now okay. Actually, in higher version of Revit, we also don't need to trim always all these lines. Revit will understand this automatically. And now our stair is ready. Now I will go to the section part. Yes, it's taking time. Yes. Now I will go to the section again and check if it is okay or not. Oh, it's on the wrong side. Okay, now edit stairs, and there is also option flip. Okay, yes. You don't need to edit the stair again. You just flip the model. It will be changed. Now I need to adjust something. 14 means 14 risers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it's matched. Now I will go to the 3D view to check it if it's okay or not. Yes, in 3D also I can see it perfectly matched with the cloud. Stairs comes with railing automatically and it's not matched here. We can ignore it now. I will discuss about the railing in another tutorial. And it seems in 3D also our stair is perfectly matched with the cloud, and it's starting from the floor to the end. So everything seems okay. Our model is ready. In this process you can do the stair modeling perfectly. Thank you.